Welcome to Moose Court. Today it's Judge Simpson and Landlord Tenant. We got a guy that shows up and should have taken a deep breath before he came into Zoom court. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Peninsula Place versus Amadou Diane.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Diane,
Yes, Your Honor.
how are you?
I'm doing all right.
Okay, so this is a motion, but was this a termination or non-payment? Non-payment. It's a non-payment. Okay, for 2565.81.
Can
How
I
much?
say
What's
something, Your Honor?
hang on just a second. How much is owing?
1845.81.
1845.81. Okay. What did you want to say, Mr. Dan?
Yes, I had read a letter to let you know a lot of stuff is wrong there. First off, it's been very hard communicating with staff. As far as I'm concerned, I shouldn't hold anything. As a matter of fact, I might be I might be into the April rent that's a pay partial of. And the reason why I can tell you this, why is that 18? Because they've been misplacing my money order. And I tried to talk to Mr. Fink office like you ordered me to. The reason why they got a money order in the first place is you ordered me to deliver them the money in the office. They wouldn't take my payment. And I was very frustrated because I left work to deliver the money to them. They wouldn't take my payment and they wouldn't let me make online payment. So I left work on the 5th and I actually have that receipt here. And that's how they found it. And I keep kind of in contact and I'm being threatened to be evicted. That when the money is already paid for, I've been taking off work to be at a court. So all this money should already be on their site. And I had to tell them that I have the video of me delivered. They have to go find these money order and then post it on my account. They still haven't found all of them yet. I still have 2 receipts. They only posted 1 yet. And they say, I owe 18 something or whatever. But as far as I'm concerned, everything is paid up for. This is what if they said that I owe something, I just want to know which month so we can get to that so I can be done with it because I got a lot going on in the head. And eviction is not something that I want to even think of right now.
Do you have money in escrow, Your Honor?
I have 500 in escrow. He paid 500 into escrow. So that would bring, even according to your balance, his balance down to 1345 or somewhere around there.
Yes, sir. 1345.81.
All right. So what do you want to do?
I'd like the money in escrow and I'd like you to sign my order of eviction. Unless he says he's gonna pay it.
All right.
I'm saying that you guys said that when you guys need to look at the receipt and tell me which rent that was missed and that lead me to eviction that you say saying that I'm owing money because I pay everything. And this is before too, like you that I had to go to the office for almost like every day for them to look for that. We've been looking for it for
Mr.
like
Diane,
a month.
Mr. Diane,
Yes.
you're going to have to go down to the office with your receipts or contact Mr. Fink's office with your receipts of that you paid. Okay.
I did all of that. And then not only that, I have video too. And then I posted it and I drop it off to record it because I know this was going to happen again. I'm moving so when my lease is over. I just don't want any time my record to just, go by my business because I've been doing too much already.
Mr. Diane,
Yes.
I'm going to release the escrow to them. So according to their balance, it's 1345.
But for which one? What I owe? I'm sorry, Your Honor, but
I'm gonna let you talk,
Okay.
and I'm gonna
Okay.
let you finish talking, and then I'm
I'm
gonna
sorry.
talk, and you're gonna be quiet. So go ahead. Tell me what else you want to tell me now for the second time, like I can't understand.
I'm sorry because you just said 13. I just want that part to be understand that if they said that I owe money for what rent and for what, like because as far as I'm concerned, I deliver everything to them. So and like you said to go talk to the office people, I did talk to them, and not only that, I had a video of me delivering the mail in the day, and I have a receipt. I showed them they couldn't help me, so and that's why I'm lost about how can they help me now.
You done?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna release the money in escrow to the plaintiff. I need you to get your copies of your receipt or whatever you have and get those to Mr. Fink's office, the attorney, so they can take a look at it and talk with their client about it. You need to get that over to Mr. Fink's office as soon as possible. I'm going to sign the writ, but I'm going to indicate the writ cannot be executed before April 10th.
May I repeat back what I understand?
Yes.
He is going to provide me with any documentation of payments that he thinks my client missed.
Correct.
And then we'll check that out.
Correct.
May I say something?
Sure.
Yes. So how can I know what's missing if I don't, like, a payment was making a different form of the shape? Well, some was in the escrow, some was in the online, but for the most part, online. And I have made those payments to them, and they say that those payments are not in. I'm trying to know which, they can tell me which payment I missed. If I can pay my part, money is like, if they saying that I missed like February example, that's the rent that I do, show me that, and then I'll just like show you the receipt of that. That's what I'm asking the court to do, and they're telling me to. This is why the issue is coming in about, because
How much does he think the amount is off?
nothing. I'm first now. I paid everything, and matter of fact, that 500 that's in the escrow, that's going to like April. I pay all my rent, and like this was missing. We would look for it for a month, and I had to tell the
Mr. Diane, here's what I'm going to do. You're to be here April 8th, 9 a.m. for a hearing. You bring all the paper you have. You don't want to go down and see Mr. Fink. You don't want to do that. You want to try to overtalk me. You just come down here and you're going to have to show it. If it's not shown, a writ's going to issue that day. April 8th, 9 a.m. The escrow will still be released to the plaintiff.
Thank you.
This is not right.
Oh, I don't think you want to keep talking, because I could just sign this writ and be done. I'm trying to give you a chance.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Don't say another word. April 8th, 9 a.m. I signed that, so you got to hold it.
Yeah.
Let me know what you think in the comments. This guy obviously doesn't listen because he's talking all the time. He doesn't understand, and instead of telling that to the court and to the landlord, he blames them, which really drew Judge Simpson's ire. If this had been criminal court, this guy would have really been in trouble, but it's a little more relaxed than landlord tenant. Anyhow, tell me what you think in the comments, and thanks for watching.